Like, this is just sexy. This is grown woman. I can genuinely truly say that this hair is beautiful and it's amazing, and it looks like I'm wearing some raw Cambodian hair. The texture is perfect. It gives relaxer slash silk press, so it's great for my textured women. Almost done. It is 2 o'clock in the morning right now. Gotta have my Beyonce on. Fun fact, I think my favorite Beyonce album is 4. It's not fine to tell you how I feel. I'll do all the extra styling later on today. Finishing look. Love this hair. I truly love this texture. I'm not saying that because it's sponsored. I have been with BetterLength for years, and BetterLength is where it's at, honestly. This is my very first time ever wearing Yaki straight hair. I think I've worn it, no, I can't say that. I've worn it before, I think as clip-ins, like maybe 4 years ago, but this is my first time wearing bundles, and I can genuinely truly say that this hair is beautiful and it's amazing, and it looks like I'm wearing some raw Cambodian hair. The texture is perfect. It gives relaxer slash silk press, so it's great for my textured women who want to wear their hair blown out but you don't like that super silky look. You like kinky straight but you want curls, because kinky straight will not hold curls, okay? It's not gonna happen. That's not how the bundles are designed. Yaki straight, I'm actually really surprised at the memory in this hair. I don't know if all Yaki hair is like that, but BetterLength Yaki straight has memory. And as you can see, I've been combing it, brushing it, playing with it, and it still has really nice body. It kept its shape, so I can attest that this hair is really good. Check it out, and all the information on this hair is in the description below. Let me know your thoughts on this. I am wearing 3 bundles, and it's like as you get older, you don't want long hair. I retired like 22 inches, 24, all that, unless it's curly. If it's curly, I will always wear me some long curly hair. But when it comes to like a blown out look, like this is just sexy. This is grown woman. I'm about to be 28. Like this is grown woman right here. Not too long, not too short, nice body. Y'all know me. I would probably, next time, I'll probably wear 4 or 5 bundles because I be wanting my hair to be big at all times. Just super voluminous. But this is actually honestly really perfect. The person that I've been working with, one of the agents at BetterLength, said that 2 bundles is enough. That is a personal preference. I would never just wear 2 bundles in my head. So I was like, send me 3 please. Because I know how I want it to look, and 2 bundles was not going to be enough for me. That was just going to be too thin, and that was just not going to be my look. But the bundles are pretty long, so I will give them that, and they weren't thin. So good job, BetterLength.